Morning guys, good morning guys. I hope you guys are fine. Yesterday guys, we did very well. The banker was 13 and it came 34, came 37, came. Wow, that was nice. Okay, so without wasting any time, this is what I did today because I don't want to go, when I'm using that color app, it's confusing a lot of people because there's so many colors. People end up not seeing exactly what is what, which is which. You understand? Okay, cool. So now we're going to start with this strategy which you guys know of adding. Let's say these numbers, how many are they? They are 7. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Avoid the 7th number. The bonus is fine. We're going to add. We're using previous lunch results from yesterday. Going to say 1 plus 8. That will give us a what? A 9. You go down and say 2. Here you see there's 10. You're going to say 1 plus 2 because the 0 won't count. So it's going to be 1 plus 2. It will give us a 3. I'll show you how it works at the end of the day. Then at the number 3, there's 13. You're going to say 1. You're going to say 1 plus 3 plus 5. So which is a 9. So it's 1 plus 3 plus 5, which is going to give us a 9. You go down again, there where there's 20, say 2 plus 4 because the 0 won't count. 2 plus 4, that should be a what? A 6, which is our today's banker. Okay, then you're going to go again there at 34. You say 3 plus 4, it's a 7. 7 plus 5, 7 plus 5, that should be 13. Okay, so you say 7 plus 5, that will give us a what? A 13. Then you go to number 6 where there's 44. You say 4 plus 4 is an 8. 8 plus 6, that should be a 12. So there's no space. I'm going to write my 12 there. That's the last digit. So as you are done here, you see which number appears common is 9. Which means today they're going to somerset this number 9. They spin it and make it a 6. That is why I'm saying 6 is going to drop today. 6 is going to drop because it's also there. You understand? So the 6 or a 9 must drop. But then now there's a number that is hiding, which is going to pop up, this number 11. It will either come like 911 or 611, around that figure. But let's just work on the chords now, because this we are done with this. So let's go to the chords. Our today's chords is 133. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We put the brackets there. We start and say 1 plus 3 plus 3. Oh, sorry. That should give us a what? Today, they're going to play twins. When I say twins, like 33, 11, 6. Okay, so when you add up those numbers, you're going to get a what? 6 plus that plus 1 is going to be a 7. Okay, that's a 7. These days, 7 is dominating left and right, but we are fine with that. Because it did drop the other day. So okay, cool, it's fine. Then when you say 13 plus 3, that should be 16, which is a what? A number today. 16 is also a number. Let me just write down so that when I'm done I can always make a recap for you guys. Okay, and then so let us pick a banker and say our banker is 33 and 6. So let's write 33 and write the 6 down. Then we are done with the first chord. No, we're not yet done actually. We're going to say 1 plus 33 is a 34. 1 minus that is a 32. So which means a 32 has already came from T and 34 came. So 13 also came on lunch. So we are quite sure that our banker is 33 today. 100% should be 33. Okay, then we go to the bottom chord. The bottom chord says 118, which is, remember in the beginning we had 16, which can be also what? A 19, because I'm now checking this chord. Already is directing me that 19 is supposed to drop. So here we will say 1 plus 18 you get a 19. 1 minus that you get a 17. So okay, yes, same boy. Okay, I was just talking to my daughter. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to do this. 18, I pick it there. 19, I pick it there as well. And I'm gonna say 1 plus 1 plus 8. That'll give me a 10. So which means, guys, today our numbers, they go like, let me just write down. It's 16. Let me say 19 or 16 or 16. Then there's a 6. Then there should be a 33 is the banker. We have an 11 as well. And then what else? But you have to go an extra mile. Don't just say, coach, because he said this. No, guys. This is gambling. We need to also focus here. And then there's another number, 35 and 36. So take these numbers, put them on the dream wheel. When you do that, definitely you know that it's a win. You won't lose. So guys, big up to those who are following, and big up to those who are trying to win. Guys, come and purchase the books. Here is the link. The first comment that I put there is for the books. Thank you very much.